Imagine your content being posted daily, your DMs are being sent on autopilot, showing your leads new high quality value, and your calendar is being filled up with booked calls, all while you take a nap. Sounds like some BS, right? But with AI clones, it's actually possible. And you may be thinking AI clones aren't quite a reality yet, but it would be great if they were because, it would really help me out with my workload. Well, if you're a coach and you're short on time, listen up because I'm going to show you how AI clones are reality and they are here today and how you can scale your business using them without adding any extra work on your plate. So let's get one thing straight. Me and you both know that posting high quality content consistently is hard because you run into burnout from like filming or managing editors or something like that, which causes a domino effect of you being inconsistent with your posts, which leads into missed opportunities. But what if you could create content without recording? Like I'm talking about using a digital twin of yourself that handles 90% of the content process. And no, I'm not talking about these low quality clones that you may see on like TikTok or Instagram. No, I'm talking about the ones that you have not noticed on Instagram or TikTok. The ones that look that good, the ones that deliver just how you would deliver, match the same tone, personality, all of that. One that can actually engage with your audience through DMs and actually build a connection with your leads and audience. So you can actually stay consistent without burning out. And this isn't something that you should be looking forward to in the future. This is happening right now. And I'm going to show you a bit of how it works. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is come over to ElevenLabs.io. We're using ElevenLabs because it is the best voice cloning platform out there compared to any of their other competitors. But yeah, once you're on ElevenLabs, you're going to want to create an account and then come over to subscriptions. At least get the creator plan. It gives you a solid amount of credits, and what these credits allow you to do is the certain amount of minutes. Like it gives you 100 minutes per month, and these stack up on top of each other. It doesn't reset at the end of the month, which is great. So if you're not making content for a while, your credits are still building up. I do recommend using the creator plan because it does give you access to the professional voice clone. If you get anything below the creator plan, you're not going to have access to that professional voice clone, which is what you're going to be creating right now. To create this professional voice clone, once you have your subscription, you're going to want to come over to My Voices and then create a voice. Hit professional voice clone, and what you're going to want to do here is hit create new clone, and then you're going to want to record about 15 minutes of audio. It recommends about like 2 hours or an hour to 2 hours, but with my experience, that's just complete BS because I've created very solid clones with only 15 minutes of audio. But what you want to do when you're recording your clone is have different types of emotions, really talk like how you do on camera. Because if you're going to be making content, you want the voice to sound like how you do on camera. Then you can name the voice whatever you want. I'm just going to be using my name because I'm going to be using my audio that I just recorded. So then we're going to come over to description. Don't really need to put anything in here. Your language, this works for any languages. It's not just capped out on English. And then the accent, you're going to need to put something in here. I'm going to put US Midwest, and then I'm going to upload a sample right now. So now I'm just waiting for my audio to upload. Okay, now we're all set and ready to go. So I'm going to hit next. It's going to pop up. It says like we recommend at least 30 minutes. But like I said, I've had very successful solid clones with only 15 minutes of audio. It does let you know that you do need an absolute minimum of 10. So that's why I recommend doing 15. Then of course you're going to have to verify your voice. So you can't just use anybody else's voice in your content. So I'm going to take care of this real quick. I just verified my voice and it says your professional voice clone is being prepared. It should take around like 30 minutes, maybe 10 to 30 minutes, I'd say, considering that you really don't have that much audio that they have to look over. So I'm not going to wait 30 minutes for mine to process because I already have my voice on another account. So I'm going to hop over to that account right now. So now that we're on my other account, we can check out my voice. You are the hero in your own story. So it sounds exactly like me. And now what we're going to do is connect this to HeyGen. So you may or may not be wondering like, what is HeyGen? And that's what we're on right now. So HeyGen is pretty much the visual aspect of your clone. So it's what you're actually looking at. And then ElevenLabs is the audio. So we're kind of getting the best of both worlds. HeyGen with the visual and then ElevenLabs with the audio aspect. So now we're going to come over to the avatars tab, and I'm not going to run through it too in depth right now. If you guys are interested in hearing on how to make an avatar that really looks exactly like you won't have any like weird mouth movement or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I can go a little bit more in depth onto that, but I'm going to kind of just run through the basics right now. So you're going to come over here, hit create new, hit digital twin, and then you're going to go over and click get started. And then you're going to want to drag and drop a video of yourself. I recommend around 2.5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. That sounds like a pretty good range. That's what I've used. And then once you have your avatar from uploading your footage, you can integrate your voice from ElevenLabs. So what you're going to do is come over to voices, hit integrate third-party voice, and then you're going to be asked for an API key. And to get that API key, it's pretty simple. You just want to go over back to ElevenLabs, come over to developers down below, and then create API key, and then create key. Then you're going to paste that key over into HeyGen. Just click import voice, paste your key into here, hit confirm, and then you will have your voice from ElevenLabs into HeyGen, and then you can use it with your visual clone. So I'm working on a couple different videos and clones right now. If you want to check out my most recent video, stop watching this bullshit. Here's how you can actually get more leads for your business. The problem isn't posting, it's recording. You can outsource editing, scripting, and uploading, but recording eats up your time every day. That's why most creators burn out. Take a look at this quick video right here. So as you can see, it looks and sounds exactly like me. And with some visuals and some fast-paced editing, there is no chance that this is going to be picked up as AI on anyone's page. Because as you're scrolling through in your feed, you're not looking for things that are AI. Instead of like this video that you're watching right now, you're here to learn about AI content. So you're going to be able to tell that this is AI. I'm not just going to leave you here with my words saying like people don't pick up that this is AI. I'm going to actually show you some results. Like Yuri, for example, he's posting long-form AI content, and nobody is picking up that this is actually his clone. And you can see the results right here on his YouTube account, getting 72,000 views on a video he posted 3 weeks ago, over 200,000 subscribers as well. But I'm also not just going to sit here and say like you're going to get the same results as Yuri, because it really just comes down to inputs. Like, are you giving your clone solid scripts? Are you giving HeyGen a solid recording of you? That's what, like I mentioned earlier, I can go more in depth on how to build a solid clone that actually looks like you. But like I mentioned, the whole goal of this video is to let you know that AI clones are here and they are the future, and the ones that really jump on this are going to get ahead. I mean, really, just imagine how powerful your funnel could be. You could be starting out with posting top of funnel content over on Instagram, and then using keywords from ManyChat to actually send DMs to your new leads. And if you're wondering what ManyChat is, ManyChat pretty much automates your DMs when people comment certain keywords. Like at the end of this video right here, I said comment the word emotion, and I'll send you a free clone of yourself. If you want to hear more about ManyChat, let me know in the comments. I can get a little bit more in depth into it as well as HeyGen. But yeah, using ManyChat, you could be sending them value through DMs, building a relationship with your leads, audience, and then funneling them into booking a call with you. And again, this could be all happening while you sleep. But really, all you need to get started is just ElevenLabs. You can just play around with it a bit, get a few audio recordings, and then just put some visuals over a video. You don't really need to show your face or anything to get started. But later on, I highly suggest you do add your HeyGen clone, because that is really where you build the connection with your audience. So yeah, it does take some time to set up for sure, but once you do, it is a complete game changer. But if you're not looking to put in that time up front, then that's where my team actually comes in. We handle training your voice and visual, and we also handle the editing and posting, pretty much start to finish posting. You have to do nothing at all. It's 100% autopilot. I know you hear a lot of people talking about these done for you systems, but this is truly a done for you system, since you no longer have to record your content. I'm talking we even handle the scripting as well. But yeah, whether you're looking to make your clone yourself or working with us, AI clones are the future, and good luck.